Okay, there's a view of the garage door. This is the kitchen bath. As you can see, we've put a new floor there, new baseboard. Used the same toilet, cleaned up the tiles, replaced any that needed replacing. We may paint this cabinetry, not sure yet. Changed the light and just clean that one up. And here's a view of the floor in the kitchen. That's a view from the garage door facing the front hallway door out of the kitchen. Again, I think the floor is pretty nice color and everything for the, what we were trying to accomplish here. Now I'm standing by the front window of the kitchen. There's the doors into the dining room. See, Mom's old fridge is still here. There's a cabinetry that was replaced. New configuration there with a built-in microwave. New cabinetry in the corner that should be more usable counter space for the new owners. And we have a dishwasher, which obviously Mom never had. There's the new sink and the countertop. And the cabinetry above. No paint touch-up needed to be there yet. And another view of the floor, looking out toward the front window of the dining room, or of the kitchen. There you have it.